Hey guys, what's up? It's Green Lungs here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to mine CreativeCoin with your Nvidia GPU. All the links will be in the description for this video. First thing you're going to need to do is go to creativechain.org. You're going to go to Downloads, click which operating system you have. I have Windows 64-bit. You're going to download that and save that into a folder. I already have it downloaded. It's right here. Right here. Once you have that, open it up and let it run while we do the rest, so it'll synchronize. After you have that, I'm going to minimize that. After you have that, you're going to want to go to ccminer.org. Then you're going to want to come up here to this version right here and hit releases. Bring you to this page here. There's a new version out, 2.2.4. You're going to click if you have a 64-bit or a 32-bit. I have 64, which I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to re-download it. Once you have that, you can take it and extract it into a folder on your desktop or a separate hard drive. Mine's right here. I like keeping everything on a separate hard drive. Once you get it, it'll look like this. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to right-click the Run CREA and hit Edit. It'll look like this. Let me make that a little smaller. Okay. Yours won't have this code here. It'll say benchmark. Yeah, it will just say benchmark right there. Okay, what you're going to put there is your wallet address. And the way you get your wallet address is you go to your wallet, you hit receive, and then for the label, I usually like to put in miner. And then once you do that, you don't need to put an amount or anything like that. You just hit request payment. And then it'll pop up with a window looking like this. If not, you just double click it or click it and then hit show. Then hit copy address. And then you close that out, minimize that, and then you copy and paste that there. After you do that, you save it and close it out. And then you can double click here to run it and it'll start mining. And as you see, it'll show you what your hash rate is for both of your GPUs. Right now I'm getting around 600 total mega hashes, 600 to 700. It takes a little while for it to fully boot up to its potential. Not too long. But after you do that, if you want to see what you're making, you can go to the website yimp.eu. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come to, let me close this out because it's going to lag. You're going to go to wallet. And then what you do here is you type in your wallet address. So you can see I have mine right here. Once you type it in, it'll pull you up to a web page like this. You won't have none of this stuff here until like 3 hours afterwards or so on. Maybe a little less. It depends. Well, while it's mining, it's going to show you your balance. It'll show you your hash rate in the last 24 hours. And then it'll show it down here and how many miners you have. And your share percentage. And your eject rate. And then these will be your last 50 earnings. And as you see, I still have a good bit there. If you want to see what your coins are worth, you're going to want to go to coingecko.com and then come up here to the search and then type in creative, C-R-E-A, or you can just type in CreativeCoin, click it, and it'll load it up here. And then you just copy the amount of coins that you have and then paste it there, and it'll show you what you have in US dollars. That's pretty much everything you need to know to mine CreativeCoin. It's a very simple coin to mine. Please hit that like, subscribe, and comment if you guys want me to do another cryptocurrency tutorial in the future. Thank you.